So I'm getting some grocery because and milk also, and diaper, and his medicine, because we came from the hospital and then we found out there's another antibiotic to be taken. So I buy this grocery because I cannot go here every week. So this will be the consumption for possible for a month consumption that we're gonna have. So we got eggs, we got yogurt, we got milk for Terence, and diaper for 1 month. So that's what we're gonna do.